Hello, it's December 10th, 2016. I was looking at the RSOE map, and this is kind of close to where I live, so I clicked on it, and this is a town, these two towns, Beloit and Clinton, are really close to me. So what does it say? Summary, description. The city of Beloit, now this is 15-minute drive for me. The city of Beloit has declared a snow emergency to take effect at 1 a.m. on Sunday, December 11th, 2016, and remain in effect until 11 a.m. on Monday, December 12th. During the duration of declaration, vehicles parked or standing on city street is prohibited. Vehicles should be parked in a driveway or an approved parking lot. Police will ticket and/or tow away any vehicle found in violation of the declaration at the owner's expense. The city of Janesville, which is where I live, has declared a snow emergency for Sunday, December 11th, beginning at 12. A snow emergency means that all parked vehicles must be removed, blah, 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 blah. To ensure that you do not receive a parking ticket, please move your vehicle prior to 12 p.m. and keep your vehicle off city streets until they have been completely plowed. The best place to park during a snowstorm is your garage or driveway. If you are unable to park in a driveway or garage, please park in one of the designated snow emergency parking stalls, which are located in the 7 downtown municipal parking lots. For more information, please click on the attached link, which is not on here. This is taken from a news website, but I thought it was cool that the town I live in is on this RSOE EDIS that I always watch. But I have to be at work while it's going to be snowing and then drive home. Ooh. So this is just one of the many sites that has that exact same information, WIFR.com. And here is a picture. And I have to say that although I love the snow trucks plowing the snow out of the street, it's usually after I shovel my driveway and my sidewalk, and then they go by, and then and it's late at night, and so it's really cold, and the frozen ice and snow that goes in my driveway I have to shovel out, and it is almost unbearable. There has to be a more intelligent way to do that. So here's a little bit more from the Big Wobble about that system. If you thought the U.S. was cold this week, polar vortex returns next week with an even colder Arctic weather, temperatures as low as 2014. So we're going to be freezing, and we're going to have a lot of snow. The air mass on the way for the middle of December is likely to be substantially colder when compared to that of this past week or weekend. Ugh. It is unclear how far south the air will be felt. Ooh, I hate that. This I accidentally clicked on, but it is big news about the earthquakes near Solomon Island here. 56 large quakes and aftershocks since yesterday's 7.8. A humanitarian agency says the initial reports from Solomon Island suggest 3,000 people have been affected by the earthquake and many buildings damaged. So you can read that. The link will be below. Let's get back to what I was talking about. On Monday, December 5th, this article says a massive coronal hole is turning toward the earth on our sun. Large quakes could be in the offing this week. Here's the hole turning to face Earth. And it says that in the coming days and is releasing solar wind which could reach the Earth as early as Wednesday, causing wonderful auroras. And blah, 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 blah. But it's not blah. It's interesting. If you want to read it, the link is below. Okay. Okay, so on this website, they're saying that the Quad City area snow emergency information. Coal Valley has issued a snow emergency from 5 p.m. Saturday until noon Monday. Sun Prairie, this is all around where I live. Yippee! So this is in our local paper. The city of Janesville declares snow emergency, and this says beginning at 11 p.m. Friday, which now it's already into the snow emergency. Ah! A lot of my friends actually have said that they were just going to enjoy the weekend. They were going to cook and watch movies and sleep, which is fantastic. I have to go to work, and I know there are other people that do too, so I'm hoping nobody gets injured on this fabulous weekend. So here on the College of DuPage is the water vapor. This is where they're talking about the storms coming in. And look at it's affecting all of the United States, it looks like. Look at this thing up here. That's a bizarre looking thing right there. It's really bizarre. Right in there. It looks like monkey face or something, or some kind of bizarre face. Like it's the vortex for this whole movement almost. But I really believe it starts way out further. Which I think is sort of like right in here. Now this is the weirdest. This looks so weird right in here. It's like some kind of bubbling cauldron. That looks so weird. Let's slow it down just a little. And let's even change colors. It's just a weird looking thing. Maybe I'll speed it up after all. Okay, let's speed it up. Since we're impatient people. See how that's... It's like all the stuff is coming up here. Other stuff is coming here. We've got these strange lines. It looks, you know, like when you drop oil on water or something. It's so bizarre. And then it's coming into here. It's coming across this way. Look at this coming down here. And then this moving up along here. Just so strange looking to me. And beautiful at the same time. Let's make it so we can see it all at the same time. Amazing. Of course, if you watch my videos, you know that I believe that I know there's a lot of weather modification going on, and what's really the conundrum is it weather modification that's causing this, or is it just natural? Um, okay, I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Oh, look, it's like almost a heart. Someone's making a little heart right there. All right, bye-bye.